Did you know there might be an invisible danger lurking in your home? It's something that many people are unaware of, yet it can have serious consequences for your health and the health of your loved ones. It's called radon, and it's a gas you can't see, smell or taste. This makes it particularly insidious because it can be present in your home without you even knowing it. Radon comes from the ground and can seep into our homes through cracks and gaps in the foundation. It is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that is produced by the breakdown of uranium in soil, rock and water. Don't worry though, we can test for it and keep our homes safe. There are simple and affordable radon test kits available that can help you determine if your home has high levels of radon. In this essay, we'll learn all about radon and how to protect ourselves from this silent danger. We'll cover everything you need to know to ensure your home is a safe place to live. We'll explore what radon is, how it forms, and why it is a concern for homeowners. Understanding the science behind radon can help us better appreciate the importance of testing and mitigation. We'll also look at how it gets into our homes, focusing on the common entry points such as cracks in the foundation, construction joints, and gaps around service pipes, and the risks it poses to our health. Long-term exposure to high levels of radon can lead to serious health issues, including lung cancer. It's the second leading cause of lung cancer after smoking. Most importantly, we'll learn how to test for radon. Testing is the only way to know if you and your family are at risk. We'll guide you through the process of using a radon test kit and interpreting the results, and what to do if we find it. If your home has high levels of radon, there are effective mitigation techniques that can reduce radon levels and protect your health. Knowledge is power, and by understanding radon, we can take the necessary steps to ensure our homes are safe and healthy environments for ourselves and our families. Taking action now can prevent health issues in the future. So, let's dive in and discover how to combat this unseen threat. Together, we can make our homes safer and protect our loved ones from the dangers of radon. Radon is a radioactive gas. This means it gives off tiny, invisible particles that can harm our bodies. We can't see, smell or taste radon, which is why it's often called the silent killer. When we breathe in radon over time, those tiny particles can damage our lungs. This damage can lead to lung cancer, a serious disease. Radon is actually the second leading cause of lung cancer after smoking. That's why it's crucial to understand radon and take steps to protect ourselves from it. Radon comes from uranium, a natural element found in rocks and soil everywhere on Earth. Over a very long time, uranium breaks down, and one of the things it turns into is radon gas. Think of it like a chain reaction. Uranium decays into other elements, with radon being one of them. Because uranium is found in soil, radon is naturally present in the air we breathe outdoors. However, radon levels are usually low outdoors. The problem arises when radon gets trapped inside our homes, where it can accumulate to higher, more dangerous levels. Radon gas is incredibly sneaky. It can enter our homes through cracks in the foundation, gaps around pipes, and even through well water sources. Basically, any opening, no matter how small, can be an entry point for radon gas. Once radon gets inside, it can build up, especially in areas with less ventilation, like basements and crawl spaces. That's why it's important to test for radon in our homes, even if they seem new or well sealed and secure. Section 5. Radon's impact on our health. As mentioned earlier, radon is a radioactive gas. And when we breathe it in, those radioactive particles can damage our lungs. This damage happens over time and we won't feel any immediate effects. However, prolonged exposure to high levels of radon significantly increases the risk of developing lung cancer. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, estimates that radon is responsible for about 21,000 lung cancer deaths each year in the United States alone. That's a staggering number, and it highlights the importance of taking radon seriously and testing our homes. Section 6. Testing, your best defense against radon. The good news is that testing for radon is easy and inexpensive. You can buy radon test kits online or at many hardware stores. These kits are user-friendly and you can conduct the test yourself. Additionally, you can hire a qualified radon professional to conduct the test for you. Testing is crucial because you can't tell if you have a radon problem without it. There are no immediate symptoms or warning signs of radon exposure, so testing is the only way to know for sure if your home has elevated levels. Section 7, Radon Testing, a step-by-step guide. Testing for radon is a simple process, but it's crucial for ensuring the safety of your home. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use a radon test kit to accurately measure radon levels in your home. First, choose a test kit that suits your needs. You can purchase either a short-term or long-term radon test kit, depending on how quickly you need the results. Short-term kits require measurements for a few days, typically between 2 to 7 days, while long-term kits require a more extended period, often up to 90 days or more, to provide a more accurate average radon level. Next, find a suitable location for the test. Place the kit in the lowest level of your home where you spend a significant amount of time, such as a basement or living room. This is because radon levels are usually highest in these areas. Ensure the area is undisturbed during the testing period to get accurate results. Then follow the instructions provided with the kit carefully. The instructions will guide you on how to set up the kit properly. This usually involves exposing the kit to the air for a specific duration. Make sure to note the start and end times of the test to ensure the exposure period is accurate. After the testing period is complete, seal the kit as instructed to prevent any contamination. Carefully follow the sealing process to ensure the sample remains intact during transit. Then send the sealed kit to the designated laboratory for analysis. The address and mailing instructions are usually provided with the kit. Once you receive the results, they will indicate the radon levels in your home. It's important to understand these results to take necessary actions if needed. Remember, if you're unsure about any part of the testing process or how to interpret the results, you can always consult with a radon professional for assistance. They are trained to help you understand the results and recommend the best course of action. Radon professionals can guide you through the process and ensure the test is conducted correctly, providing peace of mind that your home is safe from radon exposure. By following these steps, you can effectively test for radon and take the necessary actions to protect your home and loved ones from this invisible threat. Section 8. What to do if radon levels are high. If your radon test results show elevated levels, don't panic. There are effective solutions to reduce radon levels in your home. The most common and recommended method is to install a radon mitigation system. A radon mitigation system is designed to vent radon gas from the soil beneath your home to the outside, preventing it from entering and accumulating indoors. These systems are usually installed by certified radon mitigation contractors and can significantly reduce radon levels, making your home safer. Section 9. Protecting yourself and your loved ones. Testing your home for radon and addressing elevated levels is a crucial step in protecting yourself and your loved ones from this silent danger. By taking action, you can significantly reduce the risk of radon-related health issues, particularly lung cancer. Remember, radon is a preventable health hazard, and knowledge is your best defense. By understanding the risks, testing your home, and taking appropriate action, you can create a healthier and safer living environment for yourself and your family. Section 10. Take action, test your home for radon. Don't wait. Take action today and test your home for radon. Radon is a colorless, odorless gas that can seep into your home from the ground. It's a silent threat that can have serious health implications if left unchecked. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference in protecting your health and the well-being of your family. Testing for radon is easy and affordable, and it provides peace of mind knowing that you are taking steps to ensure a safe living environment. Remember, you can't see or smell radon, so testing is the only way to know if you have a problem. The test kits are user-friendly and can be done in just a few minutes. Once you have the results, you can take the necessary actions if elevated levels are detected. By testing your home and addressing any elevated radon levels, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier and safer living environment. Professional radon mitigation systems can effectively reduce radon levels, ensuring that your home remains a safe haven for you and your family. So don't delay, get your home tested, and breathe with confidence knowing you're taking the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your loved ones from this silent threat. Regular testing and maintenance can help keep radon levels in check, providing long-term safety and peace of mind.